guys for painting. Uy.
Guiding the way and for trusting us to carry forward our values, wisdom, and dedication that display.
Oh, yeah. So, kung na lang yun, kay mo yun education emblem. Educational emblem or insignia. Michelle, Michaela, Borja, Marianin. Pila na ganito? Pila na mo kabuot niya? Ato ning listahan din kay pila ko 2, 4, 6. Markahan dyan ni ma'am, no? Sige. Sunod mo siya Blessing, Blessing, Borja, Marialyn, Boris, Rosel, and Buelia Judian. Okay, may we request again the parents to please pin the educational emblem to their sons and daughters. Congratulations and thank you. Okay, Cabalis, Kyril May, Casa Jian, Quizon, J.
Tang tang tang.
of Trustee and former school administrator, program heads of the Bachelor of Science Education in Mathematics, in English and Filipino, Math in Tanong College as pre-service teachers. The memory marks a significant milestone in your pursuit of becoming educators to our very own pinning and candlelighting ceremony. And that we should also seize the moment as you finish out one of your bucket lists. Mabuhay ang lahat.
Parents and their students. This afternoon, indeed, we gather to celebrate a moment of profound significance, a pivot and the unwavering support of their families and mentors. To our fourth-year students, the pin you will receive is more than a symbol. It is a badge of honor that represents years of hard work, growth, and preparation. It signifies your readiness to step into the noble role of educators, shaping not just your minds, but the hearts of the next generation with knowledge, compassion, and purpose. To our third-year students, Julian, Cabalis, Riley May. Parents, you may now pick the education emblem. Congratulations and thank you. Kasab Jian, Quezon Jenny Ann, Gisanta Jean, Iscanian Ana Dulce, Garing Judilyn.
Thank you. Thank you. Video.
A distinguished individual whose dedication and passion for education and service, our guest speaker is no stranger to us. She is a visionary leader who once stood as at the helm of the
and Dr. Liliana, members of the college faculty, beloved parents, graduating seniors, and incoming seniors. Good afternoon. If you observe the theme in your program, you will find it impressive and challenging. It says, illuminating the path to education, excellence, educators' excellence, igniting hearts, inspiring minds.
nights to pray without proof anyone can.
Guys, what is the lightning ulan? Ulan guys. Nasa atras. Abi na ko. Muna dire guys. Na-stress na ang gwapa. Ay, naulan na.
Appreciation and gratitude to the Teachers College for orchestrating such a meaningful and joyous event. This celebration is more than just ceremonial. It's a milestone. It's a powerful expression of our shared commitment to excellence in education and the noble journey of shaping future educators. Let us recognize this occasion not only as a tribute to the hard work and dedication of our students, but also as an enduring tradition that will now become a cherished part of the legacy of Tanyon College. May this ceremony continue to inspire generations to uphold the values of compassion, knowledge, and service.
Shine brightly and make a meaningful difference in the lives you will touch. Carry this torch with pride, courage, and enduring faith in your purpose. The future of our profession is now in your hands.
Response from the third year students. We humbly forward the values, wisdom, and dedication that this flame represents. This light serves as a reminder of the great.
I want the third year to go first. Inside the building with your
Background music dira.
Limonid mo, ma? Yeah, mga papo.
Ma. Kada yun ay mambu.
Guys, yan, nabasa kami sa ulan guys kasi bago lang kami nakarating sa aming boarding house. Yes, this is the pin. Bye guys, mag-ilist ako. Thank you for watching.